In this video, we show you the maintenance and cleaning of the paint spray system. After the work is done, first we remove the battery, actuate the trigger lever so that the liquid still in the system can flow back into the paint container. Next, we detach the paint cup from the unit and dispose of the fluid and add water or a solvent to clean the system with. After that, we remount the paint cup onto the device. Insert the battery and spray until the paint residue is no longer visible. Then remove the battery, unscrew the paint cup, clean it and dry it off, and then attach the sealing cap. Now we can take apart the spray system. Remove the siphon tube, loosen the coupling nut. The air cap is also inside the coupling nut. Release it. Take out the setting plate component. Pull off the nozzle. To release the nozzle needle, we use the supplied adapter. Place this so that it fits onto the two pins. Press down, turn 90 degrees, and pull hard. To release the trigger unit, we open the locking lever, turn the trigger unit 90 degrees counterclockwise and release it from the pistol grip mount. A slight rotational movement allows us to remove the filter cap, and the filter inside can then be cleaned using compressed air. Now all individual parts can be cleaned with a water or solvent-soaked cloth. For the suction tube, there is a special brush. For the nozzle, a special cleaning needle. Now we can reassemble the paint spray system in reverse order. When inserting the needle, ensure that the pins are correctly aligned. Press until it clicks and pull it off easily. Afterwards, please test by hand again to ensure the needle is really seated firmly. The scope of delivery includes two nozzles, the red one for thinner paints and glazes and the black one for thicker ones. When installing the nozzle, actuate the trigger lever, nozzle, the setting plate, air cap, and tighten the coupling nut. In the last step, the siphon tube can be mounted. Please ensure the opening faces forward. When everything is completely dry, the paint container can then be mounted. For storage, please ensure a dry environment and room temperature.